Come test drive the 2021 CR-V Hybrid. The Honda CR-V Hybrid offers a powertrain with plenty of energy, a cabin with plenty of room, and a ride with plenty of comfort. This is all in addition to the fact it's a hybrid vehicle and the additional efficiency that it offers, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, stability control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.